Asus Rog Flow X13, the world's most compact, powerful laptop. This year's Asus Rog Flow X13 gets a hardware update to the latest AMD Ryzen 9 platform, DDR5 memory, a MUX-capable DGPU implementation, and Generation 4 SSD storage, as well as improved screen options and faster connectivity. At the same time, this convertible design now has to face strong competition in its niche from the newer member of the Rog Flow series, that is Z13 tablet, built on more powerful Intel Core i9 processor and with a superior vapor chamber cooling module. Do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section how much did you like this laptop. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Starting with the design and construction, the Flow X13 is a 13-inch 2-in-1 laptop with a 360-degree convertible touchscreen. It weighs about 3 pounds and it's fairly compact and portable for its class. Yet not as much as the thinnest and the lightest designs out there, and that's because this packs more powerful hardware than the average Ultrabook and a more complex thermal module required to cope with that hardware. This laptop offers two USB Type-C ports, one on each side. They are both USB 3.2 at this point and support data, video and charging. This means you can plug this in on either side. The port on the left is a part of the XG Mobile connector for the XG Mobile DGPU unit. And this will get USB 4.0 compatibility later through a software update. You'll also find a USB Type-A 3.2 port on the right side and the HDMI 2.0B port on the left, hooked into the NVIDIA iGPU. Finally, the audio jack and the status LEDs are also placed on the left, and the power button is on the right and integrates a one-touch fingerprint sensor with the Hello support. Overall, this X13 is a good all-purpose convertible design, well built, practical and with a proper set of ports spread on both sides. Keyboard and trackpad. This is pretty much the same layout as we have seen on the Flow Z13, but with the extra set of multimedia keys at the top left. The typing experience is solid here with a good feedback, 1.7 mm of key travel and nice feeling keycaps. I also found the keystrokes to be quieter side even for the space key. The X13 offers a rock solid keyboard deck and feels like a more reliable typer. Coming to the keyboard lighting, the lighting is uniform and sufficient, but it creeps from under the keycaps with a slim profile design. The clickpad is only fine by today's standards. It's only a small plastic surface and it tracks well and interprets gestures and taps as expected. The physical clicks are clunky and the surface tends to rattle with the firmer taps. The Flow X13 gets the same 13.4-inch 16:10 touch display that is also available on the Flow Z13 series. It comes in two options, that is Full HD plus 120Hz with a 500+ nits of brightness and 100% sRGB color game mode, and UHD, that is 4K display with a 60Hz refresh rate and 550+ nits of brightness and 85% DCI-P3 colors. We have the Full HD variant in this unit, which makes the most sense on this kind of computer as the lower resolution is better suited for the offered hardware, but also because the 120Hz refresh rate makes this display smoother feeling with a daily use and preferable for occasional gaming. There is an adaptive sync with the both panel options, so tearing should not be an issue here. So I'm going to play a video here so that you can see and judge the picture quality by yourself. Performance. This laptop is powered by AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS processor, 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 1TB of fast SSD storage and dual graphics. That is, you will get NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti DGPU with a 4GB of VRAM and the Radeon 680M iGPU integrated within the AMD processor. Spec wise, this laptop comes with the latest hardware and latest graphics option, and this performs really very well, and you can run all your AAA titles very smoothly. And the display also comes with a 120Hz refresh rate and full HD plus resolution. You will get a lag free immersive gaming experience. Coming to the battery life, which is the most important feature in any gaming laptop, this laptop comes with a 62 watt hour battery inside, and averagely sized for a portable laptop in these days. The laptop will give you 10 hours of battery life if you use it for only browsing, and it will give you around 6 hours of battery life if you do gaming on this laptop. As an all-purpose ultra-compact laptop, I find the Rog Flow X13 to be unmatched by other devices available out there today. It's a portable, well-built and versatile design which doesn't compromise on the input, screen options, I/O or audio quality, plus offers a hardware platform that can be both powerful with the demanding loads as well as snappy and efficient with a casual course on the battery. However, you will have to accept the design flaw that chokes the airflow with this laptop sitting on the desk, impact the internal temperature and performance in certain situations. You can consider to buy this laptop for its nice looks, well built and the portable for what it is, good typing experience, decent clickpad, good screen options, excellent performance with the daily use, demanding loads and games as long as you are propping up back to improve airflow, fair audio quality and long-lasting battery life with a 62 watt-hour battery. The disappointments with this is the louder fan noise than on the Z13 tablet. The slim bottom fit choke the fans. The thermal module blows the hot air into the screen, and black design easily showing smudges and fingerprints. So these are my good and bad about this laptop. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. And I'm playing an audio on this laptop. You can judge the quality by listening to it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. There's so many things that